Hello everyone, welcome to Vidatri. Ee roju live session lo man beautiful Kuppadam sarees chusam. Very beautiful and elegant lightweight sarees andi, and these are the Kuppadam pattu style. Very beautiful and gorgeous. And now in color three beautiful mannequins unnai. I'll be explaining you each saree. This is pink color with blue color contrast border, and the body is having beautiful booties. And the color is pretty. And the next one, green with pink color. The border is with golden zari, and the body of the saree is with beautiful peacock motifs, pretty and elegant. And the next one is such a beautiful color, dark blue with violet combination. You can see the designs in the border. Beautiful zari work vastundi saree mottham kuda. And yes, let's begin the live with the beautiful collections one by one. This is the first one. It is a Kanakampram color saree andi. Such a beautiful one, which is looking very elegant, and the color combination is also so pretty. Manki saree mottham kuda tiny check vastundi with the beautiful motifs and the khadi border running on either sides. And here is the pallu, golden zari and different designs all over, which is beautiful brocade designs. And we have even got the thread finish. And here's the blouse. So manki combination ila vastundi. We have got a plain contrast blouse which is blue color, and this saree is priced at 6,299. So these are the Vidatri special collections. You can even visit our store, which is Vidatri Shopping Mall, Lane, Vijayawada, for the physical visit, and we are open till 5 p.m. And from tomorrow we will be open till 9 p.m. And this is one more beautiful color. The body of the saree is like light green with black color border. Such a beautiful saree with check patterns all over and tiny motifs all around. This is the pallu. You can even see the pallu with intricate designs and the golden weave. We have got the thread finish as well. And for this we have got the beautiful blouse, the contrast blouse with stripes pattern. This will be the combination. And this saree is priced at 8,999. And if you love this saree, you can just message on this number, which is the orders number. So you can take this a screenshot and please message on for orders and number you can just message on. For dispatch also there is a number 73963820067. This is such a gorgeous color, everyone's favorite kind. This is blue color, and this is also with tiny checks and a beautiful khadi zari border running on either sides. The bottom border is a little bigger, which is with golden weave. And here's the pallu. Pallu with pink color combination and red color border, which is full of golden color zari work, and one thread finish kuda vastundi. And for this we have got a contrast blouse, which is very beautiful with the same border kind of design. And this saree is priced at 6,499. If you like the saree, please do take a screenshot and message to the number, which is the WhatsApp number. This is one more beautiful color. This is pink with blue. Light blue only, manki chudaniki grey color lo untundi, and the border is very beautiful, which is a khadi zari border. And the saree is also very elegant with tiny checks and motifs. Here's the pallu. So pallu is also with light ash grey color combination and beautiful motifs, which is a golden weave. The beautiful intricate designs. And for this we have got a beautiful blouse as well. So this is the pattern, the stripes. And this saree is priced at 8,499. on to the next color. These are the Kukdam sarees. So this is violet with pink. This is violet with pink combination. The saree is very pretty with full of motifs, peacock motifs is to me, which is a golden color motifs. And the border is a khadi zari border, and the bottom border is a little bigger. And here's the pallu.
Wait, check. దాని చేసే డేటా లేదు డ్రెస్ లేదు సిమ్ము లేదండి హాట్స్పాట్ ఉంచండి ఉంచండి కరెంట్ పోయింది ఇప్పుడు
This is one more beautiful color, violet with pink color combination. Border kuda manchi khadi zari border ustundi with a beautiful peacock designs, and the body of the saree is also with peacock motifs. And here's the pallu, the beautiful khadi weave, which is a golden weave. Manchi thread weave combination kuda ustundi, and for this we have got a beautiful blouse. So here's the combination, and this saree is priced at 6,499, which is at a very affordable cost. These are the Kukdam sarees. This is fabric green with pink, such a beautiful combination, and the sarees with light check pattern, and the khadi border running on either sides, which is pink and golden color. And here's the pallu. Pallu is also pretty pink, which is a beautiful contrast, and with golden weave. Thread finish anni sarees ki kuda manaki vastundi. And for this we have got a contrast blouse, which is pink in color with stripes pattern. So this is the model, and this is the color, and the saree of the price 6499. You can please to take a screenshot for the orders number, and you can message your favorite saree onto that. And this is one more beautiful color, green with blue color combination, and the saree is dark green with golden color design all over, and the border, which is blue with golden khadi border. This is the pallu. Pallu ki manaki beautiful designs ochindi, motham kuda golden zari weave, which is a rich weave, and this is the blouse. So blouse is a contrast color with khadi border, and this saree is priced at 7,499. This is such a smart color only, manchi black color, black with blue combination, and the saree is with silver check pattern, and a golden and silver with booties all over. The beautiful saree with silver weave all over. This is the pallu. Pallu with blue and silver color combination, and we have also got a thread finish, and this is the blouse. So it's a contrast blouse with a khadi plain border. We can even go with some mother work or stone work. And this saree is priced at 8,498. If you love the saree, please do take a screenshot and message to the orders number. This is one more pretty color combination, pink with violet. The pink body of the saree is with tiny check pattern, and the border is with beautiful rangoli designs, which is beautiful intricate design. The saree combination is elegant. This is the pallu with beautiful brocade designs, which is a golden weave. And the blouse is with contrast combination, which is a violet color. So we can pair it up like this with half sleeves or full sleeves. And this saree is priced at 7,499. And here's one more color, everyone's favorite, and this suits for everyone. Such a beautiful combination, evergreen. This is dark green with red color, and the beautiful khadi zari border running on either sides. And the bottom border is a little bigger compared to the upper one. And this is with stripe pattern. This is the pallu. Pallu is also with beautiful designs you can see all over, which is a golden zari combination. And we have got a beautiful traditional blouse. We can stitch it till the elbows, and we can go with magam works. And the saree is priced at 9,799. For orders, you can please take a screenshot of this number, and you can send your favorite saree onto that. So the next saree, this is one of the elegant combination. We can try this out for any sort of occasions. For reception, this kind of sarees goes well, and this is white with violet color. Such a beautiful combination, light with bright color combination. This is the pallu. Pallu is also having floral designs, which is with golden weave. And here's the blouse. So blouse with golden khadi border. So this is the matching, and the price is 7,499. This is one more pretty color, parrot green. Parrot green with a piping of violet color combination, such a traditional one. And the bottom is a little bigger, which is skirt border. It's a traditional border only with khadi zari border running on either side. Such a beautiful saree with check pattern all over. And this is the pallu. It's a grand looking pallu with beautiful designs all over, which is a golden weave and such a beautiful contrast. You can see the combination. And for this we have even got a contrast blouse, which is a violet color. With a beautiful blouse, we can stitch it till the elbows. And the price is 8,399. Now we'll move on to the next color. This is one more beautiful color, violet with pink color combination. So violet color body of the saree is with beautiful checks all over. It's a tiny check pattern with tiny motifs all around, and the pink khadi border running on either sides. Here's the pallu, beautiful intricate designs, and we have even got a thread finish. And here's the blouse. So blouse is pink color. So this will be the combination on the monkey. So we can pair it up like this with a beautiful design. And this saree is priced at 7,499. And if you love this saree, please do take the screenshot and message to the orders number. This is one more beautiful subtle color, blue with slight peach color. This is one of the trending color and the special of Vidatri collections, and this is with light tiny check patterns all over. And here's the pallu with red color and the beautiful golden zari designs, which is beautiful intricate designs all over. And for this we have got a contrast blouse, which is red in color. So this will be the perfect fit. And the saree is priced at 5,599. So you can see the prices are at very affordable cost. These are the Kupudam sarees. Such a beautiful lightweight saree. This is one more beautiful color, which is a mehendi green with a pink color combination. Such a rare color and beautiful color combination too. And this is with tiny check pattern. And here's the pallu with pink color and beautiful brocade designs all over. And for this we have got a contrast blouse, which is pink in color and with check patterns all over. So this will be the perfect combination. And the color combination is also really elegant. And the saree is priced at 7,009. And this is a different shade, and it looks like a shimmery shade. Now the body of the saree మొత్తం కూడా tiny motifs వస్తుంది, which is a beautiful buttas, silver zari buttas, and you can see the border, which is light grey with golden zari combination. Such a beautiful borders running on either sides. And here's the pallu with silver zari. And for this we have got a contrast blouse. Such a beautiful elegant combination. And if you love the saree, please do take the screenshot and message to the orders number. So the price is 11,999. You can even visit our store, which is Vidatri Shopping Mall, PVP Lane, Vijayawada, for the physical visit. And from tomorrow we are open till 9 p.m. This is one more color. Body of the saree color is pink and the border is like violet color. You can see the elephant designs all over in the border, which is a khadi zari border running on either sides. And here's the pallu. Pallu is also with violet color and with full of brocade designs. And the blouse. So blouse is also very smart. We can just stitch it till the elbows and above the sleeves. And the price is 7,199. Such a beautiful combinations and beautiful Kupudam sarees today. I hope you love all the sarees, and I am loving this live session especially. And this is beautiful golden yellow, and this suits for everyone and it gives you a glow up. And this is also with beautiful motifs all around with check pattern and the silver zari border. It's a light silver zari. And this is the pallu. So in the pallu you can see the silver zari designs more elegant than the body of the saree. So the color combination is very elegant. We can just flaunt it in a single pattern as well, like this. And for this we have got the combination blouse with a silver zari. This is the combination. And this saree is priced at 11,699. This is one more beautiful color, blue with pink. Such a beautiful one. Blue body of the saree మొత్తం కూడా మనకి tiny motifs వస్తుంది, which is golden color, and the pink color border with khadi zari designs. This is the pallu with pink color. You can see the designs and the border continuation. Such a beautiful color combination. And the blouse is a perfect match, which is a contrast. Manam magam work change kochu. We can stitch it till the elbows or above the elbows. And this saree is priced at 7,199. And this is one more beautiful color. Beautiful parrot green with silver zari designs, and even the border is elegant with silver zari combination. You can see the saree with full of silver weave. And here's the pallu with beautiful combination, which is navy blue, and the beautiful design all over. And thread finishing kada vastundandi saree ki. And for this we have got the blouse with the contrast color and the same as the border design. Sorry, pallu design vastundi. And this saree is priced at 11,999. And yes, we have done with the live today beautiful collections of Kuppidam sarees. And if you love the sarees, please to take the screenshot and you can message to the orders number. So please to take this screenshot of this orders number. For orders, please to message on 7396382067. And we're also shipping worldwide, and you can also check the price levels. I mean the shipping charges, local and non-local. And yes, so that's the live, and you can even visit our store for the physical visit, which is Vedatri Shopping Mall, PVP Lane, Vijayawada, which is open till 9 PM from tomorrow. And again, we'll be back tomorrow with another beautiful range of collections. Till then, bye-bye.